Ever wondered if your local bank account could be as slick and versatile as those trendy fintech apps you see popping up? Specifically, if you've heard of Lunar and Revolut, you might be asking, are they basically the same thing? Are we talking about two peas in a digital financial pod, or are there hidden differences that could seriously impact how you manage your money? Let's dive in, because understanding these distinctions is crucial, especially if you're looking for a seamless, modern banking experience. Now, at first glance, both Lunar and Revolut share some striking similarities. They both offer app-based banking, sleek user interfaces, and the promise of ditching those traditional banking hassles. Think instant notifications, easy international transfers, and those cool, customizable cards. But, scratch beneath the surface, and some key differences emerge. Firstly, let's talk about their origins. Revolut, a UK-based fintech giant, has expanded its reach globally, offering a wide range of financial products, including cryptocurrency trading and stock investments. Lunar, on the other hand, is a Nordic challenger bank, with a focus on the Scandinavian market. This geographical difference is more than just a footnote. It impacts the specific features and regulations they operate under. Then there's the product range. Revolut, with its ambition to be a financial super app, offers a broader spectrum of services. You can buy and sell crypto, invest in stocks, and even get travel insurance, all within the same app. Lunar, while still offering a strong digital banking experience, tends to focus more on traditional banking features like savings accounts, budgeting tools, and lending. It's more about streamlining your everyday finances. Another key area to consider is their fee structures. While both aim to be transparent, the specifics can vary. Revolut, for example, often has tiered plans, with different levels of fees depending on the features you need. Lunar's pricing might be more straightforward, but it's crucial to compare the fine print, especially if you're dealing with international transactions or specific financial services. And what about customer support? In the digital age, reliable support is paramount. User reviews often highlight the speed and responsiveness of Revolut's support, while Lunar, being more regionally focused, may offer a different level of personalized service. Your experience might vary depending on your location and the complexity of your issue. Now, let's not forget the regulatory landscape. Revolut, with its global ambitions, operates under various financial licenses, while Lunar, focusing on the Nordic region, adheres to specific Scandinavian regulations. This difference can impact the level of protection and security you receive. So, to answer the initial question, are Lunar and Revolut the same? In short, no. While they share the DNA of modern fintech, they cater to different markets and offer distinct product ranges. Revolut's ambition is to be a one-stop financial shop, whereas Lunar focuses more on providing a streamlined, digital banking experience tailored to its specific region. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you're looking for a broad range of financial services, including crypto and investments, Revolut might be your go-to. If you prefer a more focused, digital banking experience with a strong regional presence, Lunar could be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.